Okay, welcome guys to another live. Welcome back. We're just getting started. Let's get the likes up. Double tap on your screen. To those who are watching on YouTube, welcome. It's great to have you guys here. I hope you guys are doing great. So we're just getting started. Let's get the likes up to 5,000. Once we are at 5,000 likes, then we'll get started. So let me just share the live here to TikTok, everything. Let's get the likes up, guys. Double tap on your screen. Double tap on your screen, guys. Let's get the likes up. Oh my god. Let's share the live, guys. Why am I seeing this person? Let's get the likes up, guys. Double tap. Welcome back, guys. Okay, I'm just trying to share the live here to the Telegram group. Let's get the likes up. Double tap. Let's get the likes to 5,000. Welcome back to everybody who's just joining. I hope you guys are doing great. We're live on TikTok and on YouTube. So let's get the likes up. Those who are joining from YouTube. Oh, the YouTube live is not even public. Oh my goodness. Let me fix that mistake. 1 second. This is literally my first time going live on both platforms at the same time. Okay. So we're live on YouTube. Now I'm just sharing this. I'm gonna share this to the Telegram group. I don't know why. Okay, perfect. So, all right, let's get the likes up. Double tap. Welcome back to everybody who's just joining. I hope you guys are doing great. Let's get the likes up. Double tap on your screen, guys. Let's get the likes up. Double tap. Let's get the likes to 5,000. Once we get to 5,000 likes, then we'll get started. I hope everybody's doing great. Hope you all had a great weekend. We're back here live to analyze, trade, and learn. It's going to be another amazing evening. So let's get the likes up. We're just getting started. I think the music is too loud. So, and yeah, there's certain words that I'm going to refrain from using from now on, just because I think TikTok, has issues with that. So yeah, I'm also might not be doing a lot of talking because I want to test out TikTok just to see what kind of words they're, what kind of words is it that they're against and stuff like that. So I'm going to try not to speak as much. Okay, I'm mostly going to just like be analyzing. Yeah, so yeah, it's great to have everybody back. I hope you guys are doing great. To everybody who's following me, make sure you so join the Telegram group. Link is in the bio. Head over to my bio, guys, so you can take advantage of all the free information that I do share on there. The link is in the bio. Okay, so I'm gonna get started here with very soon. I see I have one person on YouTube watching. Hello, and this live is recorded. You can watch it on my YouTube channel if you ever want to like rewatch the live. It's also because I'm streaming on YouTube as well. It's going to be posted on my YouTube channel, so you can always go back on the YouTube channel to rewatch the live, okay? So, yeah. So now we are now almost at 2K likes. Let's get the likes to 5,000, and then we'll get started. So I have gold opened up here on my chart. I am also gonna have other pairs like GPP Let me open that one up as well. Thank you to everybody who's liking. Really appreciate it. Okay. Okay, yeah, let's get the likes up, guys. Double tap on your screen. We're going to get started very soon. To those who are watching on YouTube, just bear with me, okay? Because usually before I start analyzing, I try to get the likes to a certain amount so that, you know, we can increase the engagement on the live. But yeah, we will get started very soon. Guys, make sure you subscribe. The live is freezing a lot. Very interesting. Okay. That's not good. Is it still freezing right now? Is the live? Can you guys hear me well? Can you hear me and see me well? Or is the live freezing? Please, guys, let me know in the comment section. I want to make sure. Okay, I see. Oh, it's freezing. Can you guys hear me? Is everything good? Okay, Cedrus can hear me on YouTube. Okay, I'm asking for people on TikTok. Can you guys hear me? And guys, please, to the people on TikTok, go and follow me on YouTube. Okay, subscribe to my YouTube channel just in case I'm not able to come live on this TikTok. I will be on live on I'll be live on YouTube, so make sure you subscribe to my YouTube, okay? The link is in the bio, so head over to my bio right now and hit the subscribe button, okay? Because last week I wasn't able to go live on TikTok, so my backup plan was YouTube. So those who were subscribed to my YouTube, they did not miss on the live. We made some pretty good gains on the lives from the YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe to the YouTube so you don't miss out on the lives, okay? Highly recommended. Okay, so we are at 3K likes. We're gonna get started soon. Can you guys please confirm, people that are watching from TikTok, can you guys please let me know if you can hear me correctly, okay? Because I don't want to start the show when you guys can't hear me. Let me know in the comment section right now if you can hear me on TikTok. Can you guys hear me? And GBP it's crazy. Can you guys hear me? Just say yes, no. Can you guys hear me? This is very interesting. And those who are on YouTube, can you please help me get the likes to 10? Currently the likes is at 1. Let's hit the thumbs up button. Let's get the likes. Because I think I'm having some issue with TikTok. I'm going to do something here to fix that. Okay, people on YouTube, just give me a second. Kindly bear with me here. I'm gonna just switch to a different connection. It's better on YouTube. Yeah, a lot better. It's a lot better, that's for sure. Okay, so let's go back on TikTok. So guys on TikTok, please let me know. Can you guys hear me right now? Can you guys hear me? People on TikTok, can you guys hear me? Okay, finally I got a response from somebody. Thank God. I'll just use that and assume that everybody else can hear me, okay? So guys, welcome back to another live. I hope everybody's doing great. Hope you all had a great weekend. We're back here again live on TikTok to trade. analyze and learn. Okay, so this is a great place to be in if you're a beginner, you want to learn how to trade Forex or cryptocurrency. Definitely make sure you follow me here on TikTok, join my Telegram group so you can get more information for free. What I do on this live here, I come here to analyze the Forex and crypto market, and I also do some live trading as well. If we do see a good setup, I will take it live on TikTok. And this is good. This, like, the reason for doing this is to show you guys, number one, how I make money from trade, how I make profit. I don't want to use the word money because of TikTok, but how I profit from the market and how you can do as well. And this is just a great way to learn how the entire process works from beginning to the end. Okay, so I encourage you guys to follow me here on TikTok, join my Telegram group. Okay, the link is in the bio, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, by doing this, you will for sure get a lot of information and value that will definitely help you to master this market. Okay, Forex and crypto trading, and just, you know, start growing your moolah. All right, so we're gonna get started. I'm gonna use I don't know if the word moolah is a word that TikTok could use as a reason to ban an account, so I'll do more research. Okay, but anyway, let's get started with the analysis here. And I encourage you guys on TikTok and on YouTube, if you guys can please likes. Okay, let's try to get the likes to 10,000 here on TikTok. We're currently sitting at 3K. So if you guys can tap on your screen as you are listening in, I would really, really appreciate it. Let's get the likes to 10K, please. All right, so I'm going to start off here. We will start off by analyzing gold. I have gold here on the chart. After that, we will look at GBP/USD. And then I will also look at Bitcoin. Okay, we'll take a look at Bitcoin as well. So let me just open up Bitcoin right now. Yeah, so we have Bitcoin right now opened up. Okay, I really hope the connection on TikTok is good, because the way the view is, you know, a little bit low, which is not good. Okay, God help us. Okay, so let's start off by analyzing gold here on the daily time frame. As always, I'm going to start by analyzing the time frame here. Okay, this is the time frame you always want to look at whenever you are starting your analysis. Always start off by looking at the daily time frame, and the reason why you want to start with this is so that you can get the bigger picture, understand where the market is heading in the bigger time frame, because whatever is happening on the daily time frame, that's usually what drives the market. Okay, like it makes major movement and all that. Okay, so we will look at the daily time frame right now, and all these lines you see on the chart right now, those are all lines that I had drawn when I was scalping the market. So I'm actually going to delete that very soon here. Let me actually delete a couple. Okay, so okay, so I'm going to delete all of this here. This. Okay, so leave the others for now just because they're a little bit more significant for now. Let me go back to the daily time frame. Okay, so this is gold on the daily time frame here. Okay, so this is gold on the daily time frame, and what we see is that, you know, the market here for gold is currently in an uptrend, and this is an uptrend that it's been on for quite a while. How do we know it's in an uptrend? Because the candlesticks, or the price, is forming higher highs and higher lows. That is the formation of an uptrend. When you see the candlestick doing this, just know that it is in an uptrend. Okay, so we know that gold is in an uptrend. Now, once I know this, now I know that the best trading opportunity for me to look for is to buy, right? Should always look for buy whenever the price does a pullback. Okay, this means when the price is coming back down a little bit, that's when I enter a buy. Okay, now we need to figure out where's the previous higher low here on this daily time frame. I see the previous higher low is here at 25.48. Okay, so that's the lowest gold has gone to so far. Now we had a previous high which price just broke over here, which was 2600. Okay, 2600 was our resistance there. All right, so gold broke that resistance. So now that it broke that resistance, that's going to turn into support. Okay, it's going to turn into support. So that could be the first area for us to look for buying opportunity. Okay, if the price returns to it, 2600 would provide a good area to enter you know, a buy right there. And then another good area for a buy is around 25.47, 25.60. That is another good area for buy. Okay, now what we see here on this time frame is that ever since we broke this resistance 2600, price actually never came back to do a retest. So there's a chance that we could come back down to this area to do a retest. Okay, so if the price does come back here around 2600, just look for buy if that support holds. Okay, make sure you confirm. So we can see right now gold is currently at 26 to 26.27, right? It's currently forming a new high on this time frame. We haven't done any sort of retest at all on this time frame, so at this point it's not really a good area to be looking for longing opportunities. I'm gonna use the word long from now on, just because the other word buy is not accepted, you know, for this TikTok platform. So I'm going to use long. And you know, when you're longing, it means that you're predicting the price is going up. And then when you're shorting, it means that you're predicting that the price is going to go down. Okay, so right now it's not a good time for us to long gold. Okay, the area we can long gold is around 2600. Okay, if that support holds, or 25.60 if the price comes down to that area and holds that support. Okay, so now our current major resistance on this daily time frame, well, hasn't been established yet. Okay, we can see the previous daily candle, we went all the way to 34, and the price actually hasn't gotten rejected yet, at least not on the daily time frame. Okay, we have the current candle forming, but it hasn't yet closed, so we don't know if this is going to be a rejection or the move is going to continue. Okay, so now what I'm going to do now is go down to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so on this 4-hour time frame, I'm going to see again what is the trend. So everybody who's just joining the live, welcome to the live. I hope you guys are doing great. What I'm doing here is I'm analyzing gold, and then I'm also be doing some live trading. If I see a good setup, I will do that as well. Okay, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on TikTok, and join my Telegram group. Link is in the bio. The link to my YouTube channel, the link to my Telegram, everything is in my TikTok bio. So head over there right now and make sure you join. Okay, so now let's continue. So this is the 4-hour time frame. Once again, we can see gold is still in an uptrend here. Okay, we are in an uptrend, and then what we are seeing, okay, when the price got to 26.34, it got a rejection. Okay, we got rejected there, price came down. Now we've been able to build support here at what is it called, 26.17, about there. Okay, so this was when the price went to this high here at 26.25. Then we pull back, we build support here. Okay, we build support here, and then price used that to push up. Okay, so our previous major support right now, or major higher low on this 4-hour time frame, is sitting at 26.14. Okay, 26.14 right now is our major support there on this time frame. I don't know what this one is. Go. Okay, so this is okay. I'm gonna just delete this for now because it's not important. So let's go back. So on this 4-hour time frame, okay, this is it here. We can see price has support here around 26.14, 26.17. Okay, so that is actually a level that it has to hold in order for this uptrend to continue. We have to make sure we don't break below 26.13. Okay, 26.13 is a very critical level for the price right now. Okay, so that's on the 4-hour time frame, and then the resistance that we need to break is of course 26.34 there, which we have not yet broken. Okay, and also price is currently trying to go and retest that resistance. I'm going to go to the 1 hour time frame now, okay, just to have a more better understanding as to where the price is heading. Okay, so that's what I'm doing here now on this 1 hour time frame. And then once more we can see the trend a little bit better. We can see even on the 1 hour time frame the market is in an uptrend because it is forming higher highs and higher lows. Okay, we had a low here, price went up, came back to do a retest. Okay, coming back to do a retest, and then after that continue higher, and then we got rejected here again. So this is a strong resistance. Price attempted to break it, but that breakout was a fail. Now price came back. Okay, so now as the price came back here, okay, it is currently forming a new higher low here on this 1 hour time frame. Okay, so this is currently a new higher low. Okay, we know this because, well, price came down here and then it just stopped. Okay, it stopped here, and then we got a massive bullish candle. Okay, this is a formation. Yeah, this is a support. Okay, the price just found a support here. Okay, so I'm just marking down. So this is now a good area for us to look for buys. Okay, 26, 23, 26, anywhere around there. That is a good area to be looking for our buy entry. We've already seen, you know, price is now trying to retest. Okay, so at this moment gold is currently at a good area to buy. Okay, and if we're going to buy gold here, you want to set your stop loss. A good area to set your stop loss, I'll say 26.19. okay, 26.19 would be a good area to set your stop loss, just because that is the next previous low. Okay, so just set it there just to be safe. And then the target as of right now, I believe gold is heading to 26.30. okay, so that's the first target it's gonna hit. Next target is 26.32, and then finally we have 26.34. okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna scale down to the lower time frame because I want to enter a buy. Okay, I'm actually gonna enter a buy on one of the trading platform that I use and recommend, abaro.com. I will open it up right now, and then I will enter a buy here live on TikTok. But before I do that, I will just quickly go to the lower time frame just to quickly see a good area to enter. Okay, so I know gold is heading up to at least 26.30 and then 26.32. Now I just want to quickly head down to the 1 minute time frame. Let me just have a clear idea what's going on. Okay, because I want to enter at a good price. So on this 1 minute time frame, I see, okay, we were sort of like in a downtrend. Price was going down here, and then we stopped here. Okay, now we had a previous high over here, which the price actually broke. Okay, but regardless, I'm still gonna enter a buy. Okay, still gonna go enter buy because I know price is gonna target 26.30 as of right now. So let me go to abaro.com. I'm gonna place this buy right now on abaro.com. This is the trading platform that I always use and recommend. So I'm gonna just switch this to gold. It's currently not on gold, so I'm gonna switch that up here. Okay, and then now we will enter a buy. Okay, we use 1.0 lot size. Okay, 30 sets. I just placed the buy right now, as you guys can see. So the trade is currently live. Okay, currently at negative 48 and so on. So this is the buy I just entered right now. Okay, and this is my past trade that I took. I'm actually going to analyze that quick. Okay, I will analyze my Bitcoin trade, which I took live with you guys on YouTube last Friday, I believe. Okay, and then that trade I closed out in profit of 43.31. Okay, 43.31 is the profit target. For people who on TikTok who can't see it, let me just quickly. So yeah, that was it. That was the trade I took on TC. I will quickly go over that trade, tell you exactly how I entered that trade, and all that. Okay, But let me finish with the analysis first. So my gold trade is currently live. You guys can take this trade as well with me if you would like. Okay, let me just write down the targets here. Okay. So gold buy, so TP1, TP2. Okay, let me just look at it in here to figure out TP2. Okay, so we have 2630 as TP1. TP2 is going to be at 2632. And then TP3 will be at 2634. Okay. And then we have the stop loss at around 2619, about there. For everybody who's watching the live, if you guys haven't followed me on TikTok, make sure you do, and make sure you join my Telegram group, please. Okay. Join my Telegram group. The link is in my bio, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, subscribe to my YouTube channel and join the Telegram group. Link is in the bio. Okay, so yeah, this is basically it. So this is the trade I entered here for gold, and these are the areas that I'm going to take profit at. The first target is 2630, and then second target is 2632, and then we have 2634. Okay, let me just read why gold buy. Buying gold because it is in an uptrend and price has support. How do you know it's gonna target there, please? I know it's gonna target there. The reason why is because it is a previous high. Okay, it is a previous high which price basically hasn't retested. Okay, it is a previous high which the market hasn't retested, and usually that's what happens. Okay, whenever the price forms, it gets rejected at a certain level, it always will come back to the test. Now I didn't just buy it just because I know it's a previous high that didn't get retested. I needed to wait for confirmation that price is actually going to go there, and the confirmation is this. Okay, the price built support here at 2623. Okay, we see after this drop here 2623, the next candle was a bullish engulfing candle. Okay, that is actually a very bullish pattern, candlestick pattern there, that tells you that the price is going to go up. Okay, eventually. Okay, now there's one support. Okay, the price needs to hold in order for the target that I've just listed to get hit, and that is basically 2619. Okay, the price has to make sure it doesn't break below 2619, and for it to hit that just means from where the price is, even if it does drop lower, as long as it doesn't break below 2619, it still has that chance to hit that target of 2630 and so on. Okay, so yeah, so for now, you guys, you want to look for buying opportunities for gold. Okay, you want to buy gold right now as long as gold is above the major support is 2613. Okay, as long as gold is above 2613 there, it can still go higher. But if we end up breaking below 2613, then it's most likely going to start a downtrend and head lower. Okay, but for now, look to buy gold anywhere around 2613 and 2619 from where the price is. Those are all good areas to look for buying opportunities. Okay, can you repeat, please? What would you like me to repeat? What would you like me? And then for people watching on YouTube, just so you guys know, I am live on TikTok as well. So if it sounds like I'm repeating myself a lot, this is basically what I do, okay? Because YouTube is more like an interactive platform, so I don't just talk straight. I tend to like repeat, and then I'm also answering questions on the live that people are asking, okay? So you guys just don't be creeped out. How do you know it's gonna reach that? How do you know it's gonna reach that TP? So okay, once again, nothing in trading is guaranteed, okay? But all I gotta say is I go by what the market is doing, okay? So the reason why I've set this TP, so the first one is 26.30, okay, and then the next one is 26.32, and then we have 26.34, okay? So these are all resistance levels, okay, which we can see on the lower time frames, okay? Then these are resistance level which price has not retested yet, okay, has not retested yet. And also because price found support here at 26.23, okay, it actually has a higher chance of now going to those resistance levels, 26.30, 26.32, and 26.34. Those are all resistance levels that price is most likely going to go and retest, okay? But then again, nothing is guaranteed in trading, right? So that's why we have the stop loss, okay? I am anticipating that, hey, price is going to go back up and retest those resistance. However, if it doesn't, well, if it doesn't do that, then I will make sure I will get out if the price goes below 26.19. But if it doesn't go below 26.19, then I will still remain in my trade. I can open to your YouTube. What's your username? You can open the link to my YouTube. That's very interesting. Send me a message on TikTok and then I'll just send it to you manually, okay? So you're saying when you click the link on my bio and then you click YouTube, it's not opening? Okay, so let me just so for gold, I'm already in a buy. I've set the target there for you guys. So we're done with gold. Now let me quickly go and analyze GBP USD, okay? I don't want to waste too much time analyzing the same pair for so long. I did a trade yesterday, a sell at 26.21. Should I stop the trade and suffer the loss or should I wait? Okay, so you entered at 26.21. Let me see where that is on the chart. Okay, 26.21. That's actually around here, okay? And then the price is way up here. Wow. This one is a very, yeah, because right now the market is in an uptrend. So the best trading opportunity for you to take is actually to be buying. Unless the price ends up breaking below 26.14, then you can go ahead and enter sell, start looking for selling. But for now, the market is very, very bullish as long as it is above 26.13. So for you to have sold, you enter a sell at 26.21, and this is actually the area where the price ended up finding support. Okay, you can see here as the price was coming down here, it stopped at 26.14, and then after that, I mean, there is a chance it could revisit 26.21 because we do have this support here which price could target to come down, but for now it's most likely not going to do that right now. For now, the market looks to want to go up instead of coming down, okay? So yeah, it's a little bit tricky. You know, you should not have entered a sell at that area, 26.21. Very, very risky, but you know, I would, if I was you, I would have just closed the position and yeah, look to buy instead of selling. That's what I would do, okay? Because yeah, you're probably going to end up being at a more and more loss if you keep holding that trade. How do you determine the lot size to trade? So to determine the lot size to trade, it depends on your account size, okay? The account size that you're using will, that's how you will determine what lot size you're using, and also the leverage, okay? Whatever broker you're using, usually there's certain leverage that they allow you to use, okay? So yeah, so basically you have to make sure you look at your account size. Like I'll say, for example, if you're someone who's trading with $100, okay, your account is $100, your lot size that you'll be using is 0.01. So you shouldn't use anything higher than that, okay? And try not to risk more than 2% of your account size on a single trade. Okay, if you're risking more than 2%, then that's just too much risk. You're exposing yourself too much. So always calculate 2% of that your account, whatever the amount is. Then just do the calculation. Any trade that you're entering, make sure it does the loss will not be more than that. Do you understand? Okay. $10. Oh my goodness. If you're trading with $10, that one is very little. Okay. It is a very small amount. Okay. But if you're trading with $10, then I would say just stick with 0.01. If you use anything more than that, that $10 would disappear at a blink of an eye. Okay. So yeah, that $10 is just, you know. How do I join your VIP group? So to join the VIP group, just send me a message. Okay, send me a message on TikTok or Telegram. What broker are you using? So the broker that I use, there's two. I use abado.com and FXCC. Okay, and the links to the brokers that I use are on my TikTok bio. If you would like to open an account with them, which I highly recommend you do because they offer zero commission and low spread. This is great to help you save money on trading fees. Okay, make sure you sign up using the link in my bio. I am trading on FXCC and also abado.com. With FXCC, the trading platform is MT4. And then with Abado has its own trading platform. So I trade on the platform alone. Okay, so yeah. Okay, do you teach technical indicators in your class? Example, how to enter and exit the market, because any strategy, then I feel like I'm gambling. So technical indicators are actually more manipulated than reading the price action. It's better that you learn how to read the price action on your own instead of relying on technical indicators. Those technical indicators have been designed to manipulate the price and stuff. And another thing, the other bad thing about those technical indicators is that they lag a lot. Usually it will tell you to enter a buy when the price has already made like a major move. So you're basically entering at the wrong price. Okay, so I'll tell you, Ashanti, please focus on reading market structure. I mean, learning how to recognize market structure. Okay, market structure, and trade according to the market structure. If the price is in an uptrend, look to buy. If it's in a downtrend, look to sell. Combine it with support and resistance. That is all you need. Okay. What is your trading strategy? It's very simple. I shared that with my trading in my trading class. Okay, I shared that with my trading class, and then for here I'll tell you guys exactly where I'm buying. So if you are focused, okay, if you're paying very close attention, then you will be able to learn exactly what the strategy is. If you want to learn more details about it, you have to join the trading class, and you can sign up for the trading class on my bio. So if you just go to my TikTok bio right now, you'll see a form there for you to fill in for the trading class. What is this setup? How did you notice it? We're getting a lot of questions today. FXCC charges more withdrawal fees? No, they don't. What do you think about derivative? What is that? Okay. So let me continue with the analysis, guys. How do I learn the structure, and when does the next class start? You can learn the structure on my trading class. Okay, the next trading class is going to start in October. I haven't yet released the date. Okay, but yeah, so the next class is going to start in October. Right now I am doing the September trading class, which has been going pretty good. We're learning a lot in that trading class, and definitely it's a great place to be in if you want to really take trading seriously. and learn my strategy and everything, then make sure you sign up for the trading class. The link to sign up for the trading class is in my bio. You understand that? Après. And yeah. Okay. I'm gonna start trading while I wait to sign up for the next class. Yeah, for sure. You can start trading. If you are like a beginner and you don't know exactly how to trade and all that, then how do I say this? Just join my Telegram group. Okay, this week or this weekend, I'm gonna try to make a quick tutorial video on how to get started with trading, like how to open a trading account and all that, so at least you guys can start practicing on a demo account. Okay, the Rev is a broker. Oh, okay, so I have never heard of that broker, so I can't really give you an insight on that. Looking at gold this time says more of you. What? Looking gold at this time says more of you. What the hell does that even mean? Do you trade synthetic indices? No, I don't. Alright, so let me finish with analyzing GBP USD, okay? Because so many questions, guys. Please, please, with the questions, I will answer them later. Let me finish up with the analysis because we are missing on trading opportunities. The more I answer questions, it's just making it so that I don't analyze. So let me just focus on analyzing, okay? All right, so this is GBP USD. Currently, it's trading at 1.3345, okay? 1.3345 right now. So this pair here is currently in a very strong uptrend. Okay, currently a very strong uptrend. This means we should be looking for buying opportunities. Now we can see, we want to see where is our previous high the price just broke out of. Okay, because price is currently forming a new high. That previous high is over here, okay, at 1.3265. That is the previous high. Market just broke above that, so that turns into our support. Okay, that would be the good area to buy the this pair here. We can see price actually already did a retest once it broke out here. So this is the candle that broke that resistance, and then after that breakout, we can see price came back to do a retest. Okay, came back to do a retest. After that retest was successful, it then continued pushing higher. Okay, so now we need to mark our previous higher low as well on this daily time frame. Our previous higher low is at 1.3148 there. Okay, so now this is a support that price needs to hold in order for this uptrend to continue. We cannot break below 1.3130. Okay, price has to hold that. All right, so now I will go down to the 4-hour time frame. Let's see what is happening on here. On this time frame as well, we can see we are also in an uptrend. Price is forming higher highs and higher lows. Okay, now on this daily, 4-hour, this is 4-hour time frame. Our previous low is actually around here. Okay, actually around here at yeah, so this is it here. So this is our new support. Okay, the daily time frame here is here, the one in blue. Now on the 4-hour, this is our support here. So this is another good area to buy if the price comes back down to it and holds the support. It could actually bounce back up. Okay, so you want to look to buy GBP USD if it comes down to 1.32. okay, anywhere between 1.3249 and 3271. These are good areas to buy if the price comes to it and finds it holds that support, right? It has to hold the support. Don't just buy just because price came there and you want to buy. No, wait for the support to be held. Okay, so that's one good area to look for potential buys. And then we're gonna see on the let's get the likes to 10,000. By the way, I just realized I haven't been saying that, and the likes is currently at 8.4. If you guys can kindly tap on your screen, let's get the likes to 10,000 or even 20,000. That would be great, guys. Double tap on your screen. Thank you, Narinda, for tapping. Thank you to everybody who's liking the live. I really appreciate it. Okay, so this is the 1 hour time frame here. Okay, we're currently looking at GBP/USD. Guys, make sure you join the Telegram group and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're just joining the live, welcome to the live. I hope you're doing great. Kindly join my Telegram channel and also subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can stay connected. Okay, because TikTok, you never know. Just make sure you subscribe there. That's the great place to stay connected with me and also just get more information. Thank you for the roses. Thank you so much to I can't pronounce your name, but thank you. Oh yeah, first last one. Thank you very much. God bless you. Now I'm looking at the 1 hour time frame. We can see we have a very strong uptrend that the price is currently in, right? Now our previous support is also sitting here at around 1.3247 and then 1.3220, 1.3270, around there. This is literally the next best area this is GBP/USD. For everybody who are just joining, I am currently analyzing the British pound versus US dollar. Okay, that's what I'm looking at right now. Okay, so yeah, so for GBP/USD right now, you don't want to be buying right at this current price level. You don't want to buy right now. It's really horrible to try to buy here because price is basically at a extremely high point. Okay, it's extremely high point right now, and yeah, you don't want to do that. The best area to look for buying is anywhere around 1.3270 and 1.3247. This would be the best area to buy. Okay, I'm going to scale down. Let's just scale down. Okay, we have another good buying opportunity here at 1.33 as well. Okay, so I believe price should come down, okay, from where it is right now, because market just cannot just keep going up forever. It has to come down. We do have some liquidity here to fill, so I think the price is going to try to come down to at least 1.33 there, and then it may try to build some support there before it continue moving higher, since it is in an uptrend. Okay, and then there's a support that it needs to hold in order for this uptrend to continue. Okay, we talked about that here. So on the 4 hour time frame, we need to make sure we hold 1.3247. If the price ends up breaking below that 1.3247, it is most likely going to start dropping lower. So you should look for selling opportunities. Okay, but for now, it hasn't done that. So you want to be in the direction, trading the direction the market is doing. Don't be trading against the trend. The trend right now for GBP/USD is currently bullish. This means you need to look for buying opportunities, and I told you the best areas to buy. Currently we have 1.33. okay, 1.33, 1.3270. If price comes anywhere around these areas and it finds support, go ahead and place a buy. Okay, the risk is lower if you're trying to buy than selling, but you don't want to buy from where the price is. Right now is a big no. Wait for the price to either come back down here to 1.33, find support, then you look for a buy, or you wait for the price to break this resistance, okay, that it is currently forming, because this is a resistance right here, okay, which price is currently forming. If we need to break above this resistance, go higher, form a new support, then you look for a buy. But for now, don't buy here. You're just going to lose if you do that. Okay, so everybody who's following me, make sure you join my Telegram group as well, so you can stay connected and also get more information completely for free. I also do share some signals there, so make sure you join the Telegram group. Okay, the link is in the bio. Head over right now to join it, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can stay connected. Sometimes I do go live on YouTube. If I'm not able to go live on TikTok, I will go live on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Okay, so we've done we analyzed gold. Okay, I'm currently in a buy for gold. The first target is 26.30, second target is 26.32, and then third target is 26.34. Okay, so that is the buy I'm currently on gold right now. All right, and yeah, so we haven't hit the first target yet. Haven't hit that first target yet. Let me bring it up, bring this thing up here, and then I'm going to just type a message for you guys. I've already analyzed gold here for everybody who's just joining. I analyzed gold, and then we talked about how gold is currently in an uptrend. Okay, so we should look for buying opportunities. Okay, and by the way, guys, you can always watch the recording of this live on my YouTube channel. Okay, in case you are like, you still didn't understand the analysis that I did, just make sure you go to my YouTube channel, because this live that I'm doing right now is currently being recorded, so I will post it on my YouTube channel later today. I love your live. Thank you very much. We hit TP1 though. If you're talking, that was on the Telegram group. Yeah, so the Telegram group, I did post a signal earlier today, which actually did hit the first target. But this is this trade signals that I just posted now is from the TikTok live. Okay, and surprisingly, it's literally about, I mean, it's literally the same price target as the signals that I posted on the Telegram group. Okay, so yeah, I'm currently on that trade, currently up by $94 profit. Okay, I don't want to brag, because of course that can literally turn into negative at any moment, but yeah, currently up by 94. All right, so now it's 100, but yeah, it's fluctuating, but as the price keeps pushing, you know, the profit will fluctuate and all that. Okay, so for the people who are on YouTube, let me just show you guys so you guys can see there. Okay, so this is the trade we're currently in. Okay, all right, we've analyzed GBP/USD. The GBP/USD is currently not at a best price to, I mean, a best area to be buying, so we're not what the F, how do you analyze the chart so well? Yeah, it's up from practicing and just spending time studying the candlesticks and all that. It did take time. I did not get to this point overnight. You know, what I'm able to do, you guys can do as well, as long as you have the passion. And you commit to learning, you will also be able to analyze. So now I will talk about the Bitcoin chart. Let's go and analyze Bitcoin as well. So guys, Bitcoin hit my target here. I did enter a trade for BTC last Friday. All right, and this was a trade I took on Abado.com. This is the trading platform that I use and recommend. Okay, so you guys can see I entered this by I opened the trade at 63,060 there, and then my target was 65k. Okay, I believe Bitcoin was heading to 65k. You can watch the YouTube analysis last Friday. I think that was September 20 or September 19. You can watch it, and the price did exactly as I predicted. Okay, this is the chart right here. You can see. So from where I entered the trade. Let's see. I entered here around 63. So I believe I entered around here. Okay, and then we can see price came down, whatever. Now there was a support where I made sure, okay, this is the targets, by the way, that I wrote from that live last week. So we had the first target at 63,500. Okay, this was for the people who watch my live on YouTube last Friday. First target was 63,500, and the second one was 64, and then finally was 65. Okay, and then our stop loss is at 61,500. Okay, so this is the right here. Okay, we can see the price never it almost approached the stop loss, sort of, but not really. Okay, so but yeah, price never made sure to never break below our stop loss here, and then right away it went and it hit the first TP 63,500. It hit the second TP 64k. As you can see, it actually went all the way to 64,749. Okay, now our last target 65,000 is the one that it hasn't yet hit, but I believe it's still gonna hit it very soon. Okay, right now Bitcoin is just doing a retest, so yeah, it's most likely gonna head to 65k. With this trade here, I was able to make about 443.31. Okay, so that's like 4k, and this is a trade. It took like, I think it took two days. Okay, because when I entered the trade, it was on Friday, and then Bitcoin got to that profit target 60. So on the platform that I'm trading about, Bitcoin actually got to 65k. Okay, I just realized that because I had set the take profit automatically, and the trade actually got closed without me closing it. So on about.com, Bitcoin did hit 65k. Okay, so yeah, that was literally on Sunday. So that was yesterday. Bitcoin hit my target. So that was good. Congratulations to anyone who actually took that trade. Okay, congratulations. That was good. Now let's go analyze Bitcoin. Okay, let's start by the daily time frame and see what's going on here. Super, super important. We need you here every day. We love you. Oh, that is so sweet. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. Okay, so let's see, how's this trade? 112, not bad. Okay, so now I'm going to analyze Bitcoin now for you guys. Let's try to see what the price is doing and then where it's heading within the next coming days. So currently price is at 63,100. Okay, we can see that Bitcoin on this daily time frame, right now price is it has this formation forming lower highs and lower lows. Okay, this is a bearish movement. Okay, so on a daily time frame, we're not really looking bullish yet. Okay, not really looking bullish yet. What needs to happen right now is that in order for us to break out of this bearish pattern the price is in, it has to break above 65,000. Okay, 65,000, a very critical level which Bitcoin needs to break in order for it to basically push towards like 70k and higher. Okay, I believe once we can break above 65k, we are going to basically be able to go all the way to 70,000 and then 73. Okay, it's going to be a very easy move for Bitcoin to do. Now we need to see what is happening right now. Okay, I'm zooming in here on this daily time frame, and what I see is that Bitcoin is not looking very strong. Okay, because it actually did get to 64. Okay, it got to 64,745 there. It didn't get to 65, but 64 is also a resistance. Okay, the resistance is between 65,000 and 62,800, around there. Okay, so anywhere around this zone here, this is our resistance zone. Okay, so far right now we can see the previous daily candle that just closed is actually a bearish candle. This is not a very good sign. Okay, this is actually telling us that price of Bitcoin could actually head lower. Okay, because this is not a good formation. We already got rejected. Okay, this is our first sign of rejection here. Price came to 64,000 there. It got rejected. So now we have a high chance the price is going to come down. Okay, however, we do have support here on the daily time frame. Okay, because this is a potential upward trend. Price is starting, and for this to continue, we have to make sure we don't break below 57,200. Okay, so we have to make sure we don't break below 57,000. Okay, so if price of Bitcoin makes sure it holds above 57,000, then there's a high chance it could end up bringing this 65,000 resistance and head lower. Okay, so this means that, well, look to enter buys, okay, anywhere around 57,000. All right, so like 57,600 there. Look to enter buys around there if price comes down to it and holds that support. And another good area is 60,000. Okay, because this is our previous high. So gold actually just hit our first take profit. All right, it just hit our take profit here for this buy that I am in. So that was a really nice trade. Congratulations to everybody who took that trade. The first TP has just got hit. Let me open up the chart here for gold. Okay, let's see the 1 minute. I'm checking the 1 minute right now. Okay, so yeah, look at that. First take profit just got hit. Let's see how much profit we're currently in. So we are basically up by 175 there. And this is a trade we were in for like not that long. It was probably like 10 minutes or so. And let's just say 15 minutes. Okay, about 15 minutes we made that amount. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, usually when the price gets to the first TP, I would then move my stop loss to break even, okay, or move it to take profit. Okay, so initially where I entered the trade was around 26.28. Okay, I entered the trade around 26.28 there. And then what I'm gonna see now, okay, I will go down to, okay, I'm gonna go down to a lower time frame. This is what I'll do. I'll go, so right now, I mean, I'm at probably the lowest time frame right now, but what I'll do is I'm gonna first of all go to the 1 hour just to have an idea of what the price is doing. Okay, so I can see the previous candle just closed bullish there, which is good. So now we have 26 there, okay, which is probably gonna turn into a new support. All right, so now I'm gonna go to 30 minutes. I'm trying to find areas of support which price is building, okay, because my stop loss is actually at 26.19, but now price actually has formed a new support here at around 26.27. So that's actually where I'm gonna move my stop loss. Okay, if you're someone who wants to hold this trade until the second TP, which is at 26.32, then you want to make sure you move your stop loss to 26.27. all right, initially it was at 26.19, but now because the price has hit the first TP and it has formed a new support here, you can actually move your stop loss to 26.27. okay, so that will be a good area to protect yourself right there. Okay, so now price is gonna head, definitely coming to 26.31 there. It's coming there because we have a resistance here which is attracting the price to come to. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna go back to analyzing Bitcoin soon. Let me just read some of the comments. How many years are you trading? Sorry for asking. So I've been trading for almost 4 years. It's been, yeah, by the end of this year it's gonna be 4 years. It's gonna be at least 4 years towards the end of this year, because I started around 2020, like towards the end of 2020. So yeah. Okay, so I will keep holding this trade. Okay, I'm gonna keep holding this trade. But for you people, you know, if you guys are satisfied with the TP1, then just close your trade. Okay, you don't have to wait for the second TP. Close your trade, but if you will hold it, then just make sure you adjust your stop loss, okay, to break even. Do you trade live every day? Yes, that is a great question. I do come live on TikTok and YouTube pretty much every day. So I start from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and I come live 2 times per day, except on Friday. On Fridays, it's just once per day. Now, the times that I come live, the first time is around 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. And then the second time that I do come live is at 10 p.m. Eastern Time. Okay? So you can follow me on TikTok, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and join my Telegram group so you can stay connected whenever I come live, okay? When I'm scalping, yes, I will trade with the 1 minute. But if I'm doing like trading where I'm going to stay in it for a few hours or whatever, I will use 1 hour as my confirmation for entry. Okay, please check USD JPY. Okay. How can I do the trading? It's very simple. To start trading, all you need to do is open an account with a broker. Okay, you need to register with a broker. And the one that I recommend, I have two. There's first option is abato.com and the other one is fxcc.com. I have posted the links to these brokers on my TikTok profile. So if you just go to my TikTok profile right now, you're going to see a link there. Click on that link and then you will see the links to all the broker that I recommend that you guys use. Okay, there's two of them, fxcc and abato.com. Okay, just click on that link and open an account. It's super easy, and it's free of charge, really literally free of charge. So open an account and then you can start practicing there. Now if you want to learn trading, like understand everything step by step, I encourage you guys to join my trading class. This is the place where I will teach you guys everything that I know from A to Z. Okay, look at that, guys. Price has just hit the second take profit. We are up by 300. Look at that. Okay, so at this moment, what I like to do is I'm going to close my trade. Okay, even though price might continue to go higher. Okay, but I'm gonna just close my trade now. Okay, and if you guys gonna close it, I highly encourage you guys to close it right now. Okay, so I'm closing this trade right now at 297 300. Okay, so when I hit the moment I hit close, it was actually 300. Okay, so congratulations. Where is that? Okay, clap. Congratulations to everybody who participated in that amazing trade that we just took. That was a buy on gold. Oh yes, I don't want to use the word buy, but that was we basically placed a buy on gold, and it was pretty good. So congratulations, that was amazing. Now I actually need to ooh, that was nice. Amazing. Oh, okay. Okay. Just post on the Telegram group. Wow. Alright, so the TP2 on the Telegram is 32. Which hasn't gotten hit yet. Okay, so I technically can't post that. Hey, well, that was nice. I can't even remember what I was saying. So sorry, I missed it. Don't worry. There's going to be another trading opportunity. Make sure you join my Telegram group because that's where I share signals. Okay, on this live, it's just whenever I come live. But if you want to get more signals, then make sure you join the Telegram group, guys. Make sure you join the Telegram group. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. Okay. All right, so I'm going to stop answering. If you want to join the VIP, message me. Okay, send me a message to join the VIP signal group. I am late. What's your bias here? What did you take a buy? All right, let me just finish with the analysis. Okay, I'm going to answer all those questions in a bit. I just want to finish with the analysis. So right now I'm analyzing Bitcoin. Okay, and I told you guys look to enter buy for Bitcoin because Bitcoin technically is even though on the bigger time frame we are technically in this downtrend, and in order for this downtrend to be over, we need to break above 65k. Okay, we need to break above 65k, which we haven't yet. Now the price currently is also forming this uptrend formation, and this is something that it will continue as long as it holds 57,000. Okay, so if Bitcoin ends up breaking below 57,000, then that just means that it's most likely gonna head lower. So you want to look for buying opportunity around there, 57,000 or even 60,000, because that is our previous high, which the price actually just broke. So that's a good area to look for buy there, 60,600. Okay, so now let me just delete this. Now let me just go to the 1 hour time frame here. Let's see the 1 hour time frame. Let's see what's going on here. So 1 hour, and I will analyze USD JPY. Okay, let me actually just open it up so I don't forget. Okay, I just opened USD JPY as well, so I can quickly analyze it as well. Okay, because someone did request there, and then the other thing someone requested, I think, was, what was it, GBP JPY. Okay, so we will also we'll also look at GBP JPY there. Let me actually open it up as well on the chart here. All right, so I have this pairs just to remind me that I need to analyze it. Okay, so now we're looking at the 1 hour time frame. I'm going to delete this. Should I? Yeah, I'm going to delete because I'm no longer in a BTC buy because all my targets have been reached, so I'm no longer there. So now on this 1 hour time frame, okay, we're seeing something interesting here. Okay, we can see clearly we were in this uptrend here, and we still are in an uptrend. Okay, currently price has very strong support, which it has been holding. Okay, right here. Okay, we have this strong support here at what is it called, 62,300, which BTC seems to be holding right now. Okay, so I would say on this time frame here, yes, we can see, yes, buying opportunities is looking good around 62,300 and 62,900, around there. However, if you look very well, this is a support that price has basically this is a support that price has basically tested so many times. Okay, so it's starting to become even more and more weaker. The more times price comes to visit their support, the higher chance it has of breaking it. Okay, so just be careful buying BTC around the supports, just because it has tested it multiple times. So there's a high chance it could end up breaking below it and then liquidate some people before it continue going higher. Okay, so yeah, so if you're gonna enter a buy here, like I said, best area for your stop loss is 57,000. Okay, now if price ends up breaking below 62, okay, if it breaks below 62, the next best buying opportunities is around 60,000. Okay, it's around 60,000. Let me go to the daily time frame. So this is actually right here, 60,600, around there. So that would be a good area for the price to do a retest down to before it continue moving higher. Okay. Ooh, our second take profit just got ahead for the Telegram group. I'm going to just share it there 1 second. Okay. All right. So as I was saying, yeah, so for Bitcoin here, best area to look for buy is around 60,600. If price comes there and it holds that support, you can go ahead and look to buy. Okay, and then currently, like from where Bitcoin is, I would say it's a very dangerous area to buy. Okay, don't be buying because, yeah, I wouldn't trust it, just because, you know, the daily candle, we did get rejected there. So this is high, very bearish. Like price is most likely going to come back down to 60,000. Okay, it's most likely going to come back to 60,000 there. So I'll be very careful buying Bitcoin as of right now. Even though, yes, the current 1 hour candle here, we can see price is basically trying to hold this support here. Okay, we can see as we came down, held that support, but yeah, just be careful. Just be careful. So Bitcoin here, let me just, yeah. So I would say for now, for this, in order for this to be like, let's say, completely invalidated or whatever, Bitcoin needs to break back above 63,000. Okay, because this is technically a bearish move. Okay, that it has started on this 1 hour time frame. Okay, it's forming a lower highs and lower low. So yeah, so there's two scenarios. Either number one, okay, from where Bitcoin is at right now, it will now push up to 63,000, and then once it gets to 63,000, it can break above that, okay, in order for this bearish movement to continue down. Now, if it does break above 63,800, then it's going to go higher, okay? So this means you can look for buying opportunities if Bitcoin breaks above 63,000, okay? Yeah, if it breaks above 63,800, that could be opportunity for you to enter a buy there just to be safe. But for now, I'll say it is bearish, okay? Right now, we are getting, the price is holding the support. So because of this, it may actually push up to 63,400, okay? Very, very high chance. It's most likely going to push to 63,500 there. And then the highest I see it going is 63,800, and then from there, well, this is going to be a very interesting area for the price to decide whether it wants to break it and move higher or gets rejected. If it gets rejected, it's going to start a downtrend. So you can look to buy around, look to sell around 63 if we get rejected. Okay, 63,800, 63,900, around there. Okay, well, in the short term for now, it's most likely heading up to 63,500. Okay, so if you want to do a quick scalping, you want to take the risk, go ahead. Just make sure you set your stop loss below. Set your stop loss around the 62,200. Okay, if you're going to enter a buy right now for BTC and target 63, 63,500, set your stop loss at around 62,200 just to be safe. Okay, so yeah, that is my analysis for Bitcoin. All right, so yeah, so for Bitcoin, like I said, look to buy it anywhere around 60,500. Okay, and that's one area. If price comes down there, that would be the best area to buy. If not, then if it breaks 63,800, that would be another good area to buy. Okay, so we're done with Bitcoin. Let's head over to USD JPY. Perfect. Okay, so guys, please tap on your screen. Let's get the likes to 20,000, please. How are you doing today? I'm doing great. Thank you. You are the best. Thank you. I want to learn how to trade Bitcoin. So if you want to learn how to trade Bitcoin, I highly encourage you to sign up for my trading class. The next one is going to start on October 20. Well, the date hasn't been released yet, but it's going to be around October 20. So you can sign up for that by filling the form on my bio. Now, when you fill that form, an email will be sent to you. I will send you an email to confirm the registration, and please, 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 please check your email and respond to it, okay? Very important, because a lot of people that fill that form, I will send them an email. Most people, like some people, just don't respond, which is like, it's super, super, super annoying. So please, guys, in order for me to confirm your registration, it's not by you just filling the form. You need to check your email and respond to it, okay? Yeah. So the people on YouTube, you guys are doing great. Let me read the comment. This gold signal is the same as the one you sent on the Pebble Telegram group. No, it has the same price target, but it's completely new, okay? The one on Telegram, however, when I came live on TikTok, I saw that the price formed a new support. So, and surprisingly, that was around the same area where the first signal on Telegram was sent, okay? So it's completely different, but it has the same target. Okay, so now let me analyze USD JPY very quick here. Any other questions, guys, that you ask, I will answer it later, okay? Please, I need analysis, but you ain't really active here on TikTok. I come live pretty much every day on TikTok, so yeah, I think I am pretty live I'm pretty active. If you're referring to messages, okay, yeah, when it comes to messages, I may be a little bit slow in responding just because I do have hundreds of messages. It can take a long time for me to respond to. However, I do try my best to respond to everybody within 24 hours or less. I try my best to respond to everybody, okay? So if you're sending me a message here on TikTok and I have not responded, just bear with me. I will eventually respond to you, okay? So yeah, and if you want a quicker response, you can hit me up on Telegram, because that's actually a platform that I check more often than the TikTok. Since TikTok, I just get way too many messages. Yeah, so message me on TikTok. It's this pair here. I'm gonna just delete all these trend lines that I have on the chart. Okay, so we're gonna start by looking at the remove. Let's start by looking at the daily time frame. All right, so damn, gold is still going higher. That. Yep, so now gold has basically, sorry, I'm getting distracted, but basically gold has broken 2632, which was resistance there. Because of that, it's now heading to 2634, okay? So that's going to be now the most important level for gold to either break or get rejected from. If we break it, great, it's going to now go higher. If it gets rejected, then oh well, that means price is most likely coming down, okay? So the most important thing to watch out for now is how the price reacts on the 30 minutes and the time 1 hour time frame, okay? It's important to see how the price is going to react on these time frames here. So it's approaching that resistance. Okay. All right, so let's look at USD/JPY here. Let's see what's going on. All right, so we're looking at USD/JPY. Hope you guys can see it. Okay. All right, so this is USD/JPY. Looking at it on the daily time frame. Yeah. So this pair here, on this daily time frame here, we can clearly see that we are actually in a downtrend. Okay, price is actually currently in a very long downtrend here, which has started from up here back in July. Okay, back in July, it started this downtrend, and we know it's in a downtrend because the candlesticks are forming lower highs and lower lows. Okay, this is the formation of a downtrend. Okay, so now we need to see where the price is at right now. Okay, we see after this low, price went up, came down, formed a double bottom here, but then it failed to break this previous high, so this downtrend still continues. We formed a new lower high here, okay, which price ended up came back here and now formed a new lower low, and then after that we pulled up, came down. Now very critical point here, the price is at, okay, it's currently at a resistance right now. Okay, so I'm actually going to mark it here. Let me just use a single line here. Let me use a single trend line. Okay, horizontal line, I mean. So yeah, so this is now a very critical area which price is at. Okay, if it can break this, then it's most likely gonna push higher, maybe start an uptrend in there. So far on this daily time frame, we haven't gotten any breakout yet. Okay, so far what I see is the price got rejected. Okay, it got rejected, and this is probably gonna be a sign that price is gonna come down. Okay, so our previous support, which price formed, is over here. Okay, this is our previous low here, so I'm gonna just mark that down as well here. So we got that low mark done. This could be an area to look for buying opportunities. Okay, so that's 1.3963 and 1.4083. Okay, good area to buy if price comes down and finds support. Now this downtrend is going to continue as long as the price doesn't break above 144. Okay, 144.30 or 40, around there. Okay, so it hasn't broken it, at least not on the daily time frame. So now I'm going to go to the 4-hour. Let's see what the market is doing here on this 4-hour time frame. Okay, so this 4-hour time frame, we can see, okay, we see here price is currently at a resistance here. This is the resistance on the daily time frame. On the 4-hour, we can see we actually did sort of like broke it. Okay, we did break it, but it doesn't matter. Okay, we need to break that resistance on the daily time frame. Okay, this means that we basically need to see a daily candle closing above 144. Okay, above 144.40, around there. Okay, 144.40. If we can see a nice bullish candle, daily candle closing above that resistance, this is going to signal a potential uptrend that's going to start. Okay, so that's one area. So far it hasn't happened. Now I'm going to go to the 4-hour time frame here. So on this 4-hour time frame, what we see is that, you know, sort of like an uptrend that the price is sort of like in. Okay, because we are forming higher highs and higher lows there. And then okay, so on the 4-hour time frame here, we have our previous low is right here. Okay, this is our previous low right here. So this is at 141.76. Okay, now this is a very important low. Okay, remember, because on the daily time frame, okay, daily time frame, oh, your TP hit, not yet. So on the daily time frame here, okay, price is bearish. It is in a downtrend, and then for this downtrend to be over, we need the price to break above 144.40. Hasn't done that yet. Okay, if we do that, then we are broken out. Now in this 4-hour time frame, price is in a sort of like an uptrend here, and for this to continue, we have to make sure we hold 141.72. okay, so this means that okay, so this means that for now you can look to buy anywhere around 141.72, 141. This actually is all the way up here, so 141.72 and 142.78. This could be a very good area to look for buying opportunities for this pair here. If this uptrend is to continue, then it has to make sure it doesn't break below 141. However, if it ends up breaking below 141.72, then it's most likely going to crash lower. Okay, it's most likely going to go back down. Okay, so you should look to sell below 141.72. okay, but for now you want to look for a buy, but don't buy at the current price, because right now price is at a resistance, so you don't want to look for buy yet. You don't want to look for a buy yet. Let me just see, because price is also sort of like building support from where it is right now. It is building support here. Okay, so let me actually mark that down here, because we did, after getting rejected here, we can see we pulled up, then we came down here. Now we're holding this support 143.14, which is very interesting. So sorry, so yeah, there's a chance, you know, this support could be, okay, if you want to buy here. Okay, because yeah, if you want to buy here, then just set your stop loss at 141.50. Okay, 141.50, anticipating that from this support price is holding, is going to be able to push up. Okay, I think it will. Okay, looking at it, It's looking very strong. Okay, it's looking very strong and promising that the price is most likely, because we're already seeing a lot of signs that the price is holding this support. So there's a high chance that the price is most likely going to revisit this resistance here. Okay, so this previous high at 144, the price is most likely going to revisit. Okay, so price is most likely going to go and revisit 144. So this means you can actually look to buy right now. And then, you know, just want to set your stop loss. You know, I mean, you could set it around 143.11, but if you want to be extra safe, I say you set it below 141.65. I know it's quite a huge stop loss, but this is the best area if you want to stay safe. But if you want to just minimize your risk, you know, like, you know, you don't want to lose too much, whatever, then yeah, go ahead, set it at 143.11. Okay, buying at the current price. From now I can see price is pushing up. Okay, it's gonna go up. First target is 140. First target is 144.33. That's the first target. Once it gets there, it needs to either break this resistance, or if it doesn't, it gets rejected and we're heading back down again. Okay, so buy at this current price level, target 144.33 for your take profit. Okay, and a stop loss below 143 or 141.70. Okay, okay, so I hope the analysis for USD JPY makes sense. Okay, I hope it makes sense. Let's check out gold. Oh wow, holy, look at that. Gold is at 26. It just hit the TP that I sent, the third TP that I sent on the Telegram group earlier today. So hey, if you are in the Telegram group, I'm telling you, you are going to be making some pretty good, you know, some pretty good TP, because a lot of the signals that I send on that group tends to hit the TP. So it's a great place to be in to start, you know, gaining something while you're still learning. Make sure you join the Telegram group. Link is in the bio. Damn. Oh, anyways, I'm not surprised though. So gold is currently breaking the resistance. Wow, this is amazing. Holy, holy. Wow, what a pump. What a pump. Lord, this is amazing, yo. This is really, like, the way gold has been pumping over the last past week. Actually, this pump started last week. It's amazing, eh? What made you take this buy though? Okay, I'm gonna explain it. Okay, I will explain it, but damn, I'm just impressed. I'm impressed by the way gold is pumping. Okay, I'm just impressed. Are you going to another trade on it? Nah, no. When the price breaks a resistance, usually I will wait for it to do a pullback. Okay, like right now, yeah, it is doing a pullback, but this is extremely risky. Like, I wouldn't place a buy at this point. It's way too risky, just because price could just suddenly crash. It could be a fake pump, you know, it could be a fake out that the price is doing. So at this point, I wouldn't enter any trade for gold. I'm not even going to try to sell it or buy. I'm going to just wait for the price to go up. If it wants to go higher, let it do its thing. After that, wait for the market to come back down and do a retest. Okay, and then at the retest, then we go and enter a buy. But for now, we don't want to enter a buy because it is just it's too risky. Okay, it's just too risky. So we can see it did break it, but this is on the 1 minute time frame. We got a breakout 2 minutes. Nope, we didn't get a breakout on the 2 minutes. So we haven't gotten any for sure breakout on none of the higher time frames. Okay, so when it comes to breakout, it's always important that you want to see that breakout on a higher time frame, like 30 minutes, 1 hour. This is very better for confirmation the price has broken it. Okay, the 1 minute or 5 minutes and so on, these ones is like any breakouts there, sometimes it can end up being a false breakout. Okay, so you just want to be careful there. Okay, always confirm breakouts with 1 hour. In fact, 1 hour is the best time frame, depending on what like your analysis is on. Okay, let me just post on the group here. Take profit 3 has just gotten hit. Okay. The TP3 hit. TP3 hit. Congratulations to everybody who took that signal that I posted on the Telegram group. That was a really amazing trade. It did take a long time though for the price to get to our TP, because I posted that signal like earlier in the morning today, and right now it's literally almost 10 p.m. So yeah, I posted that signal earlier today, and it took a long time. We're talking like 4-5 hours for the price to hit the TP, and usually that doesn't happen. Okay, it just means that I sent the signal a little bit, how do I say this, like too early. Like the entry price was just not that good. I should have waited for the price to come down a little. However, I knew eventually it was going to come back. I mean, it was going to hit the take profit, right? I knew eventually it was going to do that. But usually the signals that I sent, you know, price tends to hit the TP within like an hour or so. Okay. Made 364 USD on the gold. Hold on. See, we are making some good gains on this group. So congratulations. I am super happy for you. Congratulations, Hot Dog. Okay, Hot Dog, the username Hot Dog. I'm really happy for you. I'm glad you made that profit. Hey guys, make sure you join the Telegram group. You can see one person here, Hot Dog, he just made some pretty good gains just from the Telegram signal that I posted today. You can also become that person. You just need to click the link on my bio and join and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's just look at gold, okay, because it has broken that resistance. Okay, so now what I'm going to do at this point, what I like to do is, number one, all this take profit target has already gotten hit, so I'm going to just delete that. Now you see all these lines that I have on my chart right now, okay, they're no longer important, so I'm going to delete all of it. It's no longer useful. I only had them there just for me to like follow, to know exactly where my take profit and all that is going to be at. But price has literally hit all the take profit, so it's no longer important. And by the way, thank you, Hot Dog, for the gift. I really appreciate it. God bless. Okay, so I deleted all those lines. The other thing I'm going to delete now is this previous low here. I'm going to delete it. So now we need to now clean up our chart a little bit, and this is something you should always do. Okay, I see a lot of traders, they have their chart with so many different lines or so many different indicators, and this is so confusing. Okay, you want to keep your chart simple. Don't try to fill so many different indicators or try to have so many different lines on the chart. When you do this, it's just going to confuse you. You won't really know exactly what's happening. Okay, so yeah, always make a habit of cleaning up your chart. Once the price has hit a certain target that you anticipated, just delete it. Start from scratch. Okay, this is what I'm going to do right now. So we can see initially my previous important support that price had to hold was 26.19 here. Okay, but now market has actually formed a new higher low on this 1 hour time frame, which is now sitting at 26.23. Okay, so that is our new higher low there. USD, it's pumping up. Yeah, I predicted it was gonna do that. I told you it's most likely heading to 144, 144.33 around there. Okay, it's most likely heading there just because it did find support here. So this is just saying that, yeah, the market wants to come up here to that resistance. Okay, so that's why you should buy it right now. Okay, so now let me go. So now that's our previous low, 26.23. That's our previous low. That's the most critical level now for gold to hold in order for this uptrend to continue. Okay, now we just have a resistance here at 26.34, which if gold ends up breaking, okay, if we break this resistance here on the 1 hour time frame, then this is going to turn into support, right? So far we haven't broken it, right? The 1 hour candle is still, there's still like 9 minutes left, and we can see currently, yes, price did like broke above it, but it didn't close above it. Okay, a breakout isn't confirmed unless the price actually closes above the resistance. We need to see a 1 hour candle closing above that resistance. Once that happens, then we can see, okay, price has broken the resistance that is on the 1 hour time frame. This is a resistance on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so for now we just need to wait. Once price, let's say this current 1 hour candle, it doesn't break the resistance, instead it actually closes below it, well, that just means now you need to wait for the next candle. Okay, you need to wait for the next candle that starts to see whether that is going to break the resistance or not. If the next candle actually breaks it, then awesome. Now you just need to wait for it to come back down to do a retest, and then you enter your buy. However, if the next candle doesn't break it, which means it's going to be bearish. Okay, if the next candle ends up being a bearish candle, okay, which means the candle is red, that means that it has gotten rejected. Okay, the price got rejected again at this resistance, then it's gonna come back down. So what you want to do, usually you want to enter a sell. Okay, once the price got rejected, you should enter a sell. Okay, it would make sense to enter a sell. However, I don't encourage that, just because you are trading against the trend. Okay, and this is something that you don't want to do. Whenever you are trading, it's always good to trade with the trend. Okay, always trade with the direction that the market is going. So since in this market here for gold, we are currently in an uptrend, that means the best opportunity for us to take, the best trading opportunity is for us to actually go long, aka buy. Okay, we need to be going long. Okay, so if you see an opportunity to sell, don't sell. The only time you should be selling is the price breaks below the previous higher low, right? Once we break below the previous higher low, that just means that the uptrend is most likely coming to an end, so you should go ahead and look to sell. Okay, but as long as the price doesn't break below the previous higher low, don't ever sell in an uptrend. Okay, and then for a downtrend is basically the opposite. Price, in order for you to actually buy in an uptrend, in a downtrend, price has to break above the previous lower high. Okay, the most recent previous lower high, we need to break above that for the downtrend to be over. If we don't break above that, then it means that the downtrend is most likely going to continue. You understand? So for gold right now, we're going to just wait. Don't buy gold right now. No, you don't want to buy gold right now. It's too risky, guys. Okay, so I'm going to scale down to the 30 minutes. Now let's see what's happening here. Yeah, so 30 minutes. You can also use 30 minutes for confirmation. This means that if we get a 30 minutes bullish candle above that resistance, that just means that the resistance has gotten broken. Okay, so 30 minutes, we don't see that. Let's go to the 15 minutes. So on the 15 minutes here, none of that. Okay, we don't see any of that. We haven't even broken it yet on the 15 minutes. Okay, and neither did we get rejected. We haven't gotten rejected either. So we're looking at the 10 minutes now. Nothing at all. Usually I don't even check none of this time frame. It's technically not even important. Okay, the only time frame that we see that we actually did break it is the 1 hour. You see that? The sorry, not 1 hour, 1 minute. Okay, so 1 minute is literally the only time where we see a bullish candle. But remember, 1 minute is not a strong time frame to confirm a breakout. It's not a strong time frame. Okay, now on this 1 minute time frame, we do have some way. These are all lows. Price is going to try to come back to. Okay, this is more of an advanced technique. Okay, but these are all lows on this 1 minute time frame. Price actually didn't it actually didn't fail, so it's most likely going to try to close up the gap. It's going to try to claim all these lows here, fill all these lows here, and then maybe gain the strength to push higher. Okay, so yeah, I'm anticipating that we could come down. Okay, it's not guaranteed, but it would be nice to see gold come down here, grab all these lows, and push higher. Okay, so we'll see. Let me see if that's gonna happen. I just marked it down. Let's see if it's gonna happen. Okay, because these are all lows. The price didn't basically didn't fail, so it's most likely gonna try to come down here and close up all this gap right here. Okay, and then yeah, so this could be a potential good area to buy if the price holds. If it holds this, it comes all the way down from where it is. Let's say it comes all the way down here. It then holds. Okay, it holds 26.30. Then we could potentially look for buy around there. Okay, potentially, but then it's best to wait for the 1 hour. I'm new to your live. Hello, boy FX. Nice to meet you. Thank you for joining the live. Want to join your group? To join my group, just go to my Telegram. Go to my TikTok profile. You'll see the link to my Telegram group. Okay, just join it. Join it so you can get my signals and everything else. Did you buy gold? I did, actually. I did buy gold earlier on this live. But right now, I'm not in any trade for gold. I'm currently already out. The wick or the candle. The candles, okay? So all this support, all these lows, the price formed on the 1 minute time frame is going to try to come fill it. Okay, it's not guaranteed, but it's technically it's a magnet for the price to come. Okay, it's a reason. It's enough reason for the price to try to come down to. You understand? Now this is a more advanced technique which I explained in the trading class. Okay, I explained this on the trading class. So if you want to learn more about what I'm talking about, then make sure you join my trading class. Okay, the next trading class is starting on October. You can start registering for it right now by going to my TikTok bio and then click the link there. You can join the trading class. Okay, fill that form. Once you fill that form, I will send you an email within the next 24 hours. Please check the email so you can confirm your registration. Okay, don't just fill the form and then disappear. Okay, fill the form and then be checking your email because I will get back to you. Okay, but this is the best place for you to learn my strategy. I talk about it more in details, and I also share with you guys a lot, everything about trading, from fundamental analysis, technical analysis, what else, trading psychology, risk management, all those things you will learn in the trading class. So it's the best place to be in if you want to succeed in this market. Is it a lifetime mentorship? Well, the class is a 6 weeks program. However, even after the class has ended, you will still be in touch with me. Like, I'll still be in touch with you guys until you actually become successful in it, right? So I wouldn't say it's a lifetime mentorship, but it's a mentorship until you succeed in it. Okay. until you get to the point where you're actually making profit. You understand? Once you're at that point, then you don't need me anymore. Okay. But you, of course, you still be part of the community. Another great benefit is that you'll get to interact with other students, right? You guys can also learn from each other and everything. What is your win rate? You can check my, if you just go to my TikTok bio right now, you'll click my Telegram group, and then you can just see all the signals that I've posted, you know, and then you can determine from there. Okay, but I have a very high win rate. Okay, so I don't have Telegram. Well, that kind of sucks. If you want to get my signals, you have to have a Telegram account. If you don't have a Telegram account, then the only other place where you can get the signals is on the TikTok live, which is something that I only do once, twice per day. But the TikTok live signals is not, it's not that often. There are times when I'll come live and there's no good setup, so I won't post anything. But the Telegram group, though, you can know for sure every week you will get a signal, at least minimum 3. Okay, minimum 3. I joined, but it seems like you don't do signals that much. So on the Telegram group, I do post minimum, I promise, guarantee minimum 3 signals a week on that group. Now, for more signals, you do have to join the VIP group. Okay, I do have a VIP group, which you'll need to sign up for so you can get more signals. On the VIP, I send literally a signal every single day. Sometimes it can be 3 signals per day. So it's the best place to be in. And if you want to get more information about it, make sure you join me, because there are a few steps that you will need to complete in order to join the VIP. Okay. Which platform are you using? So the platform that I use is called, I have 2. The first one is fxcc.com, and then the other one is abato.com. If you're interested in signing up with this platform, you can go to my bio right now. You'll see the link there. I have it listed on the recommended broker number 1, recommended broker number 2. Just click on whichever one you want to use and start using it. Okay. Open an account right away. Every trade Sarah takes, she always wins. Yeah, I do, by the grace of God. You know, God has been helping me to really make good profits from this market. So I give all the glory to God. When you give signals, how do we know when to enter? Okay, most of the signal, when I say buy or sell, usually you need to enter at that moment, right? The moment you see that signal, that is when you should enter it. Now, let's say you saw the signal later on, maybe 5 minutes later or whatever, then don't enter right away. Number 1, you need to go and check the price of that asset that I told you to trade, and see where is it at. If that asset has already made it to the first take profit, then do not enter the trade yet. Okay, I mean, don't enter the trade if the person has already hit the first TP. You have to wait for a retest. Okay, but you know what I'm gonna do, I feel like it's gonna be a lot helpful. I'm gonna start posting the entry target, okay, so that it helps you guys. But usually when I say buy, sell, you just enter at that moment right away. That's why you need to be checking your phone. Okay, I mean, don't check your phone, but like have the notification turned on. Okay, have your notification on your phone, on Telegram turned on, so that when I send a signal, you are ready at that moment to enter the trade. Okay, and I usually send signals during the New York session. Okay, the New York session, which runs around 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. I will send a signal around there. And then I also send signals, you know, during the Asian sessions. And then, of course, in the evening here, during this TikTok live, I will send signals there as well, okay? So I don't have a specific, I can't tell you, oh, every day at this time I will send signal, but, you know, it ranges. So what you need to do is just turn your notification on, okay? Turn your notification on and just be active, okay? Have your trading funds, account, everything ready, and just be ready to take the trade, guys. That's it. Okay, that is it. So you gave gold this morning. What do you mean I gave gold this morning? Waiting for GPP, JPY. Oh yeah, that's true. I completely forgot about that. Okay, so we can see gold has already hit the first support. So I told you it was most likely coming down to target. So it has already targeted this one. Okay, now the next one it has to target is this one here, and then we have this low as well for it to target. So once it targets all these lows, then we can see if it holds the support. This means that we want to see gold build the support around 2630. Okay, around 2630. If we can build some support around there, then we can look to enter a buy. Okay, 2630. So let's see what the price is gonna do there. Okay, so for now, so I've analyzed USD JPY. I said it's a buy. Okay, so you want to enter a buy for USD JPY. TP at 144.30. Okay, 144.30 there. And then what else did we analyze? We also looked at Bitcoin. Okay, with Bitcoin here, I told you guys it's a little bit tricky, but if you're going to enter a buy right now for Bitcoin, then target number one, 63,500, and then 63,800, and then we have 64,500. Okay, but 63,500 is basically something, it's an area where Bitcoin is most likely going to be able to hit. Now, Bitcoin right now, this is the 1 hour time frame. It's currently forming this lower high pattern, which is bearish. Okay, so now in order for this bearish move to potentially continue, it has to make sure it doesn't break above 63,800. If it ends up breaking above 63,800, then that just means it's most likely going to push higher. So this means that you want to look to buy Bitcoin if it breaks above 63,800. Okay, I hope that makes sense. And then now I'm going to take a look at GPP JPY. Let's look at that one. Hi, R. Hello. Hello. To everybody who's joining, if this is your first time joining, welcome to the live. I hope you guys are doing great. So what I do here, I come live pretty much every day on TikTok, Monday through Friday, twice per day. First time is around 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. The second time is around 10 p.m. Eastern time. Now, what I do on my live here is I do analyze the Forex and the cryptocurrency market for you guys here. I look at things like gold, GBP USD, Bitcoin, things like that. And the purpose of this analysis is obviously to provide you guys with education, show you guys how the entire process works, how to analyze and everything. And then I will also do live trading here. If I see a good setup, I will take the trade here live on TikTok and on YouTube so that you guys can just learn how the entire process works. Okay. And it's a great place to learn if you're a beginner or if you're a struggling trader, you're trying to figure out how to become consistently profitable, then this is a great place to be in. Okay, I encourage you guys to follow me on TikTok, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do have a YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it. The link is in the bio. And also join my Telegram group, which is free. You can join it. The link to my Telegram group is on my bio, and the link to my YouTube channel is also on my bio. All right, I do come live on YouTube as well. So yeah, so make sure it's super important. Subscribe to the YouTube, because sometimes TikTok has issues. I'm not able to come live. So if I'm not able to come live on TikTok, I will go live on YouTube. So this is why it's super important that you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Okay, so if you're not yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, please, I beg you, go to my bio right now, click the link there and subscribe. Okay, can you look back on USD JPY? I'll do that. There's really nothing to look at. Okay, price is still going up as I anticipated, and gold is doing exactly what I told you it would do. Okay, So gold is not coming down, okay, as I expected. I told you guys the reason why it had to come down is because of all this support. It has to come down to fill it. So it is not coming down. So this is not critical build support around here or not. If we do build support, this could actually be a good area to buy gold, okay? So now let me quickly look at GBP/JPY here. So let me see here. I'm going to start by analyzing the daily time frame. Okay, I will start by analyzing the daily time frame. Okay, all right, so let's see what's going on this chart for this pair here. So what we see here is that the market is currently sort of like in an uptrend. Yeah, it is in an uptrend. Well, it was in an uptrend. Okay, on this daily time frame, we can see we had a really nice uptrend here. The price was in. Okay, so now this uptrend ended once the price it ended over here when the price broke below this support. So this previous low here, we broke below it, hence why price then suddenly crashed. Okay, so now we started a downtrend. As you can see, price was forming lower highs and lower lows. Okay, now currently this is where the price is at. Okay, this is GBP/JPY we're looking at. If you're just joining, this is what we're analyzing. So we can see we came down here at 180 180.62. We came down there, we pulled up, and then our previous high or previous lower high, it's actually over here at 199. Okay, so 199, there's our previous lower high, which price actually hasn't retested. And then we also have resistance here at 195. Okay, so between 195.85 and 199, this is our current resistance on this daily time frame. Okay, so this is a resistance because price is currently in this downtrend, and in order for this downtrend to continue, basically price has to make sure it doesn't break above 199. All right, if it breaks above 199.90, actually 74, actually, yeah, 199.74, then it means that it most likely gonna push up. So yeah, so now here we also do have yeah, we have sort of like a bullish pattern here. The price is currently forming. This is a double bottom. Okay, this is a double bottom bullish pattern here. Price is forming it, and then we have the neckline over here. Okay, but honestly, it doesn't even matter. I'm not even gonna look at this double bottom because I know most important thing to keep an eye on is 199 there. Okay, so don't even look at the double bottom. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Let's just have a clear picture on what's going on. Okay, so this is the 4-hour time frame. Okay, we can see we were in a downtrend over here. Okay, because price was going lower and lower, forming lower highs. Oh, I don't want to get distracted, but gold is currently building that support. Okay, it's currently building that support anticipated. So I'm gonna go to, let's go to the 15. Okay, 15, we haven't built the support yet. 10-minute, we're trying. 5-minute, nothing. Okay, and then 1 hour, I'm just checking the 1 hour. So 1 hour actually didn't close above that resistance of 26.35. So once more, we technically can enter a buy right now. Okay, but however, from where gold is right now, because gold is holding this support, technically I would have bought right now. I would have entered a buy right now, and then I would target 26.34, but it's just not even worth it. So let's not even join the buy. Okay, it's better, let's just wait for the 1 hour time frame for now. Okay, because right now, yeah, gold is most likely going to push back up and might end up coming back down again. Okay, but for now, let's wait until we get we want to see either a 15-minute candle bullish closing around this support, or even a 30-minute candle. Okay, so far none of that has happened, so we are not gonna buy. Okay, not buy, not okay. So now GBP/JPY, let me continue. So we're in this downtrend, okay, and then this downtrend ended basically the moment the price broke above the previous high, which was basically down over here. So this was the previous high here. Price broke at 186. Once it broke above that previous high, it then began this nice uptrend. So technically you can say that on this 4-hour time frame we are technically in an uptrend, right? Because price is forming higher highs and higher lows. Okay, now where is the price right now? It's currently 192.11. Our previous low is actually right here. Okay, this is our previous higher low. So this is our previous higher low. This could be a good area to enter a buy. So if this down uptrend is to continue, we need to make sure we hold this previous low here at 190. Okay, 190.19. Price has to hold that in order to continue moving higher. And now our resistance is right here at 192. Okay, so 192.43 is the current resistance, which we will need to break in order to push higher. We can already see price did get rejected. What am I even saying? Yeah, it did attempt to break that resistance twice. Okay, so this is the first time it got rejected, and then the second time it came back here, it couldn't break it. Okay, so it failed to break that resistance. All right, so this time around, since it has built support here, now it's gone back to the resistance. So one of two things will happen: either it breaks it, go higher, or it gets rejected here again, come back down. Okay, I am anticipating that it's gonna break it. Okay, just because it's gonna break it, just because we do have this neckline here. Okay, this is something I didn't want to focus on, but we do have this neckline here of this double bottom pattern. Okay, so this is something the price is going to try to you know, to get to. Okay, the price is most likely going to be able to break this resistance, just because it needs to get to this neckline here, and this is going to be the turning point. If it breaks this, then it's most likely going to push higher towards that next resistance at 199. Okay, so for now I wouldn't enter a buy, just because price is at a resistance. Okay, if you're entering right here, is very bad. It would have been better to enter buy down over here. So basically, after price formed support on this candle, this red candle did a pullback here. So here at 191 would have been a really good area to buy. For now, price is all the way up here at a resistance, and usually you don't want to be buying at a resistance. Okay, resistance is an area to sell. So for now, if you didn't join the buy from all the way here at 191, I'd recommend either wait. Okay, wait. But if you're too antsy, you want to just enter a buy because price is most likely coming here, well, go ahead and enter your buy. Now, to protect yourself, you want to set your stop loss at 189. Okay, 189.86 would be a good area to set your stop loss if you're trying to buy from where the price is at. Okay, and of course your first target is 192.48. That should be your first take profit target. Second target should be at 193.46. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to the 1 hour time frame here. Let's quickly look at what's happening. So this is the 1 hour time frame. Again, gold is doing exactly as what I said it would do. I would have bought here, but this is too risky because I don't like buying at the top. But this is basically a scalping opportunity, very risky one. So anyways, it's doing what I said it would do. So now what it's doing, okay, I'll tell you guys what gold is trying to do. Okay, because they found support here at 26.31. Okay, 36.21, whatever. Now it's going to try to break this resistance once more. Okay, that's the resistance at 234. Okay, it's going to try to break it again. Now if it breaks it, okay, then we will now wait for the price to come back and do a retest, and then we would enter a buy. Okay, So we want to see the breakout happening either on the 30 minutes. Okay, we want to see gold break above 26.34 on the 30 minutes or on the 1 hour time frame, which it hasn't done yet. But I think this next 30-minute candle might be the candle that breaks it. Okay, this is live right now. Yes, so I think this next 30-minute candle might actually be the candle that breaks it. Okay, just because of how the 1 minute is looking. Okay, the 1 minute time frame is looking like it's gonna keep pushing higher, and if it does, then that means we might end up getting a 30-minute bullish candle above that resistance, which would be a good area, I mean a good signal to enter buy for gold. Okay, so man, I am actually supposed to go off by now, but can I add you to my group? What? Add me to your group. So this live is actually way, I was supposed to be done by now. I just realized it's way past the time I normally end my live. But check our buy in USD/JPY. I'm actually getting tired. I need to leave now. I need to leave. Oh my goodness. You know, one day I'm gonna stay up all night just to be live on TikTok and analyze and trade. We'll see. I'm gonna see. That's something interesting. I'm gonna try to do that way. I can you know, get more of you guys, you know, like get everybody, because I know we're all from different time zone. So I'm gonna try to get people from all around the world, those who are waking up, okay, when it's night over here, and then those who are going to bed, whatever. I'll do that one day, maybe next week. We'll see. Stay tuned for that. What time tomorrow? So tomorrow I'll come live at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. All right. For that to happen, I need to go to bed right away. If I go to bed late, then I'm not going to be able to come live around that time. So I always try my bed. One of the reasons why I haven't been consistently coming live at that 9:30 a.m. Eastern time is because I go to bed extremely late and then I wake up late. So now there's literally no point to go live because I have a lot of other things to do, such as my trading class. I have to run that trading class the moment I wake up, and then so many other responsibilities. So yeah, so I need to basically be disciplined in going to bed on time so I can try to wake up on time to do those lives in the morning. Okay, so I will be going off soon, maybe in the next 10 minutes. Okay, 10 more minutes and then we'll call it a day. But yeah, I should be back tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time by God's grace, and then I'll come live again at 10 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, so yeah, USD/JPY, like I said, targeting 144. Price has not gotten there, so just set your take profit 144.30 and then your stop loss at 142.90, about there. Okay, and then just be patient. Okay, patience is key in order to succeed in trading. You gotta be patient. Okay, don't be checking the chart every minute. Okay, don't be checking the chart every minute. It's just gonna get you to be emotionally led. You're gonna start double guessing yourself and all that. So don't do that. Just let the market do its thing. Okay, don't have fear. It's not good. Don't let fear control you in trading. It's not good. Okay, GBP/JPY, I already told you guys what to do with there. Okay, I already told you guys what to do there, so trade accordingly. All right, trade accordingly. And then what else? GBP/USD is another thing that I did analyze. Let's see what is it doing. Even GBP/USD wants to keep going up. Here we can see it's still, yeah. So GBP/USD right now, don't be buying. Don't be buying, even though it looks very tempting. But I'm telling you, don't, just because it is at a resistance. Usually you don't want to buy at a resistance. So just be very careful, okay? Just be very careful. It's actually bearish because of this bearish formation here. We can see, okay, but price did already filled it. So yeah, for GBP USD right now, it's best to wait for the price to break out of this zone that is in. Okay, either it breaks above 1.3360 to go higher, or it breaks below 1.3340 to go lower. So you want to sell below 1.3335, sell if we break below this, or you want to enter a buy if we break above 1.3360. And gold is just breaking out right now. Okay, so I'm just looking at gold here on my phone. I can see we're just breaking out. So okay, so there's one thing I completely forgot I was gonna do. I was actually gonna, I don't know, someone asked me on the live, how did I know, like what were my my reasons for entering a buy on gold? Because at the beginning of this live, I did enter a buy on gold, which actually hit all the take profit, by the way. And this is a trade I took on abattle.com. Best trading platform to use. Sign up using the link in my bio. Okay, now let me try to explain it if I can remember exactly where I took that buy. Okay, so we're breaking that resistance. Awesome. So I took this buy. Okay, let me try to explain it. So this is the 1 hour time frame, correct? All right, so now this buy I entered, let me go check, what was it? I entered this buy at 26.28. So this is actually around over here. Okay, so now my reason for entering this buy, okay, actually is because of this bullish candle here. Okay, so we see this is the 1 hour time frame. We have an extremely bullish engulfing candle. Okay, now this bullish candle is something that appeared after the price has been gradually decreasing. Okay, the price has been gradually decreasing, and then all of a sudden, I mean, we did get this bullish candle here. So this was one reason why I sent the signal on Telegram. Okay, that buy signal I sent on Telegram has something to do with this bullish candle. Okay, now after this bullish candle, price did continue falling down, and then all of a sudden we got another extremely bullish candle. Okay, so all of this is telling me that price is most likely going to go up. Okay, not only that, but price also formed a support. Okay, whenever there's a red candlesticks followed by a green candlestick, that is the price building support. That is the price telling you that, hey, I want to go up, so you should look to buy. Okay, especially this is extremely powerful if the market is in an uptrend. Okay, if it's in a downtrend, then it's not that powerful, but if it's in an uptrend, then when you see the formation of a red candle followed by a green candle, just know that that's the market telling you it's going to go back up. So you want to look for a buy. Now, when you enter your buy, you want to set your stop loss below the previous higher low. Okay, the previous higher low now becomes the most critical level which price needs to hold in order for it to return back up higher. Okay, so basically that's it. So once I saw this bullish candle, okay, I knew, okay, price is forming that support, so I'm going to enter a buy right now, and then just set my stop loss below this previous higher low, which was at 26.19, and then I just target that previous high. Okay, so this previous high is now the area where I know price is most likely going to go and target. Anytime the price finds support, okay, anytime the price builds support somewhere, okay, if it's in an uptrend, once it builds that support, it will usually try to go back to the previous high. Okay, wherever that previous high is, it will usually try to go back up there to do a retest of it. Okay, so that's one thing that I know about the market, and yeah, it's a very powerful strategy. If you really learn it, you can literally there will be literally no point in losing in this market once you just understand this simple thing, is that when the price forms, when the price is in an uptrend, once it forms a higher low, okay, it tends to always go back to retest a previous higher high, okay. And then in a downtrend, it's the opposite. Once the price forms a resistance, a lower high, it will always try to go back and retest that previous lower low that it just formed, okay. So that's basically it. And then we can see price went and successfully retested that my previous high, okay, that it formed there. And then once it got there, two things can happen. Either one, it gets rejected again, or it breaks it. If it gets rejected, then it's going to come back down again. However, if it breaks it, then it's going to go higher. Okay? So that's basically it. I hope that makes sense. Okay. And what else? What else? We do love your work. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Can you analyze gold? I already did analyze gold. So gold is currently, you trade VIX? No, I don't. So gold is currently in an uptrend. Now, you guys want to look for buying opportunities for gold. I'm just seeing this right now. Wow. Okay, so we do have a support here at 26. So 26, 26, 26.30. These are now good areas to look for buying opportunities for gold. And setting your stop loss below 26.23 is now going to be a safe area for your stop loss. If you're trying to buy in on this uptrend that gold is in, make sure you set your stop loss below 26.23 there, okay? Because 26.23 now is our new support, which price needs to hold in order to continue this uptrend. If it breaks below 26.23, then it's most likely going to start heading down lower, okay? Now, what else? So for gold right now, it's currently forming a new high. So this means you don't want to buy yet. Okay, you don't want to buy yet. It's currently forming a new high here on this 1 hour time frame. What you want to do is it's best to wait. Okay, wait for the price to break the resistance of 26.30. Once it can break that resistance, okay, that means it's now going to push higher to a certain level. Okay, it will push higher to a certain level. After that, 26.34 now turns into support. Okay, if gold closes a 1 hour candle above 26.34, that's going to now turn into support. That means now when gold comes back to 26.34, you can look to enter a buy. When you enter a buy there, set your stop loss at around 26.26 or 26.23, because that's now the previous low. Gold cannot break the low. Okay, and then just set your take profit, target the previous high that gold forms. Okay, I don't know where that previous high is because it hasn't done that yet, so I can't tell you what that previous high is going to be. But you know, when that price, let's say for example from where it is, let's say it pushes all the way to 26.40 and then it comes back down to let's say it pushes, let me use this. Okay, let's say it pushes up to 26.30 and then comes down to 26.34. Well, now your previous high is at 26.40. If you're going to buy at 26.34, then that means you need to target 26.40 as your take profit. Okay, and then your stop loss below 26.26. Okay, so that's how you can trade gold. Okay, so I've been talking a lot. Yeah, it's been nice being live here with you guys. However, unfortunately, I do have to end the live now. Okay, I will be coming back again tomorrow by God's grace at around 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. I'll come back to trade and analyze with you guys again. Make sure you join my Telegram group. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can, these lives that I'm doing on TikTok, one day it could end, but YouTube is always going to be there. Okay, so if you want to continue getting this analysis, then make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, the link to my YouTube channel is on the bio, and then make sure you join my Telegram group as well so you can just get more information, more free signals and everything. Okay, so thank you guys for joining today's live. I hope you guys gained a lot of value from it. And I'm super grateful for the likes. Thank you for helping me get to 28K likes. And to everybody who sent me a gift, I'm very grateful to it. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you. Will GPP JPY news affect our trade? So GPP JPY is actually something that I don't trade as often. Okay, I'm not sure when the news is gonna come out. Let me go on forexfactory.com. Let's see. This is something extra that I'm doing. Okay, so there's a news coming out. Let me change the time here. 1 a.m. Eastern time. Okay, so in about all right, so in about come on, update this. So in about in about 1 hour, actually 30 minutes from now, GPP, there's a red folder news, high impact news that's coming out. So yes, that's actually something that could affect the trade. So just be careful if you are in this if you're in the buy for what is it, GPP JPY, just make sure you set your stop loss. I told you the best area is the best area is around 190. Okay, that's the best area. Even if the news does come out, most likely price is going to pump. It's going to try to pump. So just make sure you set your stop loss around 1. Okay, but I had no idea that the news was coming up because this is not a pair that I trade a lot. I didn't keep track of the news and all that. But if I had known, then I would have just stayed out of the market and wait for the news to be released. And then once the news is released, let the market cool down a little and then do the trade. Do you do classes? Yes, I do monthly classes. And the next classes is starting on October, which is next month. Highly recommend you join it if you want to learn how to trade Forex and all that. Make sure you join it. If you want to join the class, there is a form on my bio which you need to fill that form, and then I will send you an email within the next 24 hours to confirm your registration. Make sure you check your email. Okay, once you fill that form, make sure you check your email so you can confirm your seat. Okay, so I can just reserve your seat and all that. How much is the classes? So the classes is actually 97 USD. 97 USD. All the information about the classes is actually on that form. If you go there, you'll see the price and everything. 97 USD. Do you do signals? Yes, I do. If you want to join, I provide free signals on my Telegram group. You can go join. The link is in the bio. Okay, actually that's the demand zone. Okay guys, thank you for today. I appreciate y'all. I hope you guys have a good night. Enjoy your day. If it's already day over there, do enjoy your day. We'll see each other again tomorrow at around 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. Take care. Bye for now. And then for those who are watching on YouTube, oh my God, I actually, I'm so sorry for the people on YouTube if I haven't been reading the comments because I'm so focused on the TikTok. Let me see here. You have a WhatsApp group? No, I don't have a WhatsApp group, but I do have a Telegram group which you can join. The link is on my YouTube channel. If you just go to my YouTube channel, you will see the link to the Telegram group, okay? seems like I've seen a double bottom. Okay, what about the M pattern? Yeah, the M pattern is not, it's not really important, just because I mean, it is important. However, because price is in an uptrend, there's a high chance it's going to be able to break that resistance. Okay, it's going to be that resistance. The most important thing to focus on is the previous higher low, which is 190. Price has to hold that in order for the uptrend to continue. However, if it does break below 8, then it's going to start heading lower. Okay, surely dropping. What are we doing? Going for a long. You can rewind and see what she said. Yeah, rewind. All right, so guys, thank you for those who are on YouTube. I thank you for joining. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you're not yet subscribed. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Take care. Bye for now.